What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Khalif Assad, and I'm back with another video. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be today because I'm really just giving you guys an update of what's going on. I've been extremely busy doing job interviews for different positions in Japan and out of Japan. But that's not why I'm here. I want to update you guys on what's going on as far as this project. So yesterday, there's nothing going on right now at the moment, and won't be for maybe another 10 days or so, because we have to wait for the beams to be cut to go there on the for the bike garage. But yesterday, Kuri-chan came in and installed these curb blocks to separate this area from where the parking drive or the parking lot is going to be. I think we have to raise these up. Actually, that was level. One of these had to be raised up. I think this and maybe that one right there have to be raised up. So he's gonna come back, take care of that at a later date. But he put this curb in as well. And then yesterday, I went and picked up the fill that will go under this artificial turf to level this out. And I want to take care of it tomorrow when I have more time and I'm off. But the problem is, it's going to rain tomorrow. And not only is it going to rain tomorrow, it's also going to rain on Saturday, which is Friendship Day. And for those who don't know what Friendship Day is, that's when the American military base opens its gates for personnel who are not assigned to the base and don't have access to the base, mainly for the Japanese, to come on base, experience what it is to be on the base. There's an air show and there's all kinds of food booths and different things that they can do. It's segregated to the airfield, and there's a certain way that you have to go on base so that they don't have access to the total base, just certain areas of the base, and it's well controlled. People are well rounded into certain areas to make sure that nothing that isn't supposed to be seen is actually seen. So I'm debating on whether I want to start this right now. But before I actually start it, I got to build a form and pour it in sections. I don't know, I guess you guys are just going to have to stay tuned and see. See, I know I should have kept my camera running, because as soon as I shut it off, I started looking at things. And I'm like, well, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and start preparing things for Saturday. I think it's supposed to start raining like Saturday around noon. So if I got everything prepared, I can actually start working Saturday and through Sunday. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but in the background you can hear jets. That's them practicing for the Friendship Day for the air show. But anyway, so off camera, I decided to go ahead and make this little makeshift form, just so I can test this stuff that I bought, because I've never worked with it before. So I want to make sure that it works for what I need. It's kind of too late because I've already bought 15 bags. But anyway, the only thing we have to do is cut the bags open, pour the stuff in there, and then you just spray water over the top of it. Let it sit for 24 hours, the guy said, and it's good from there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not gonna stake my form down, although technically you would, and you always should stake down your form so it doesn't move on you when you're screeding or whatever you're doing. But I'm not filling it up all the way to this top. I'm just putting a nice little maybe 1 inch thick coat across this, just so it has something solid under it when I lay the turf down. So I think I'm gonna try it. Let me try it off camera just in case I screw up. I should let you guys see it, but I'm not going to. I'll cut you guys back on in a second. If I mess up, I'm gonna let you guys see. So let me get the camera set up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now all I'm gonna do is pour this in here. Like the guy said, then just take something and kind of spread it out. Now what you want to do is you want to keep all of this even. And I've been doing this long enough that my eye is pretty calibrated so I can tell when it's evened out, even though I'm not using a level. So I'm gonna grab another bag and dump it in here real quick. I know you guys can't see me, but you can hear me. But after I dump this bag in, I'm gonna kind of try and get everything leveled, and then we will spray it with the water. Like I said, you don't want this too thick. Or at least that's what the guy told me. Or it's just a base coat. Enough. Alright. So I can tell this up here is low. So I'm going to bring some of the stuff that I just poured up. Try and level this off a little more. Actually, since there's some still in the bag, we'll just dump some more in here. That bag is empty. Now when they build houses, the foundation is built to slope away from the house. You don't want to disturb that slope because then the water drains back into your foundation and it can weaken your foundation. Tell you, these mosquitoes out here are horrible, and these plants I was told are supposed to keep away mosquitoes. It seems like they attract them. There is a small margin for error, but like I said, it's small. The excess, just scrape off the edge. The more I mess with this, I think that's about good enough. So you guys can see how smoothed out that is. Now I'm gonna add the water. And you just lightly spray or sprinkle water on top of it. Give it about 15 minutes. Let that absorb. And then you spray it again. I'm not gonna record that process, and the reason being is my GoPro is 100% waterproof. And there's no way I can really set it down to give you guys a good angle. So I'll cut you back on in a second. And we're back. You guys can see I lightly sprinkled water over it. Got a low spot here and a low spot there, but that's not bad. It's not gonna make a difference as far as installing the artificial turf, because we're talking about only a couple millimeters. So I'm gonna let this set up for at least 15 minutes, come back, spray it again. And then tomorrow morning, depending on how much it's raining, I'll go ahead and pull this form and start moving to a different section. I can't do too much because I still got this thing right here. And I guess I could put it outside the gate, but I have to build a ramp to get it over this, which I'm going to end up doing anyway, because since it's going to be at least 10 more days before they start working on the car park again, I want to be able to ride my bike. and I don't want to have to drive up to Makoto's to grab the Busa. So I'm probably just going to make a makeshift ramp strong enough to get the bike in and out of for temporary usage until we get some asphalt down. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short. Like I said, I didn't know how long it was gonna be, and I don't want to make it too long, so I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, click the post notification bell, turn it to all so that you know when I drop a new video. And with that, I'm out. Peace.